So guys, it's another Superdrug haul. Hey guys, it's Becky and welcome to my channel. If you like beauty hauls, makeup videos, plus size clothing, then please subscribe because I'm sure you'll find some content that you enjoy on my channel. So literally today, Superdrug did buy one get one free on all of their makeup. So I was heading into town anyway, so I went straight into Superdrug to pick up some bits that I had my eye on. It was such a great deal, so I couldn't resist it. I also went to TK Maxx and got a couple of pieces as well, so I'll just kind of throw that in as well, just so you guys can see the bargains I got there too. So I've got this huge bag of goodies to share with you guys today. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so to start off, I got these couple of body lotions. I got the Dove Dermaspa Goddess free squared, whatever that means. It was on offer and it just looked really nice. And then the other one I got was the Garnier Body Intensive 7-Day Nourishing Lotion with mango oil, and it smells like mango. So I don't know about anyone else, but I'm getting serious razor burn from all the leg shaving. It's that time of year, guys. I think we're all struggling and suffering. So if anyone has any like hints and tips on like razor burn and stuff, that'd be really helpful if you can leave any comments and recommendations down below. But yeah, I just thought I'd pick them up because I go through them really quickly. I didn't realise how small this was. This is 200ml, whereas this is 400ml, like double the size. And I think I actually do prefer the Garnier one. Just prefer the smell. I think it's just a bit more youthful. But yeah, very boring, very basic. Woo. Then I thought I would try these Olay daily facials. So these are a bit like cleansing wipes, but you activate them yourself with water. Yeah, so they're completely dry and you run them under a tap and they like suds up. They are quite big. Like me and my mum were saying, you could even like cut them up because you get 30 and these were £4 on offer, so it could be an idea. I really bought them just to try because I've seen other people kind of rave about them. And I have tried them and actually they do sting my eyes, which is really annoying because I did want to use them for like makeup removal because that's what they said you could use them for, so lie. So I don't know, I think I'm just going to use them as like a double cleanse after I've taken all my makeup off. But I don't know if I'd buy these again. Okay, so then I got loads from the e.l.f. Retro Paradise collection. It's literally just released and it's a bit of me. So I got this really stunning eyeshadow palette, 18 shadows. So here's what it looks like without all the glare, and it's got loads and loads of neutrals but with some really pretty pops of colour. Some of the names are really funny as well, like Sandy Bum, that one made me laugh. Like Disco looks stunning, Sip Sip, like I just really inspired by it. I love the kind of like retro inspired like typography on the case, and yeah, I'm just really excited to use it, and that was £13. Then I got this multi-dimensional face and body shimmer in this shade Sol, and I have like tried this out and it's kind of a bit like a Colourpop kind of squishy product, but there isn't much base pigment. It's more of a shimmer like it says. So yeah, this is the packaging. Again, I can't really see, a little bit glary, but it has that kind of like really cool typography again, and it smells like watermelon. Or like fruit or something. But yeah, like as you can see on my finger, like it is kind of just like glittery. It's just really pretty. Like it's not super chunky. I feel like it will look nice on the face and the body. Yeah, I think this was quite expensive for e.l.f. I think it was about £8-9, but it was buy one get one free, so it ended up being like £4 or whatever. So yeah, I think this is really cute. It's not a highlighter. I would say there's not much like pigment to it. It's more just like a shimmer, but it seems to like adhere really nicely to the skin. And they had another shade as well that was more kind of like a holographic white shade, but I just thought like this would look just a bit like prettier for the summer. And then the last thing I got from this collection was this Dream On Lip Gloss Strawberry Daiquiri. Again, look at the packaging, it's just so cute. I think this was only £4. I think that's really reasonable. It feels like e.l.f. are kind of, their prices are going up and up and up. Oh, I cannot get into this. Going through the bottom. Yeah, so, oh, there's lots of like plastic with this, which is a bit of a waste, but whatever. So here is the lip gloss. It's in the shade Strawberry Daiquiri, and it's just super, super pretty. It doesn't feel like very sticky or anything. It has like a slight pigment to it, but not like loads and loads and loads. But yeah, I just thought it'd be just really nice to add to my collection, and again, it smells really good. So next up I got the L'Oreal Paradise mascara. This is an amazing mascara. I know loads of people rave about it, but it is really good. It is £12 though, so I don't pick it up a lot because you're heading towards high end when you go beyond £10, I think, for a mascara. One of my favourite drugstores is the Essence Princess Lash, which is like £4. So I only treat myself to this when there's a really good offer on. So I've picked myself up one of these for when my current mascara runs out. Really excited to use this. And then I also picked up the Flower Blush Bomb, which I hear loads of people rave about, mainly obviously in the States because it's a lot harder to pick up there. I think it's Drew Barrymore's range, but my Superdrug where I'm from is like really awesome. It has like all the ranges. It's had like a complete like overhaul, like makeover, so you can pick up all the brands and they always have all the latest stuff. So I got it in the shade Pinched, which is this really pretty like nude colour. I've heard really great things about it and I can't wait to try it. And then finally, makeup wise, I just got this Nails Ink polish. My nails need to be done so bad. This is in Turks Beach. It's just this really, really pretty nude. And I love like their new packaging. Like I just think it's so much like sleeker than their old like round packaging. Yeah, Nails Ink's just like really catching my eye at the moment, so I'm definitely going to paint my nails probably tonight with this. And last couple of like makeup-y bits that I got from Superdrug, I just got some eyebrow wax shapers because my eyebrows are absolute mess, and I just think it's really lame the government haven't opened the like beauty salons, but they're opening hairdressers, but I'm sure they know what they're doing. And then I also got the Allure dark brow tint as well, just because like I am absolutely desperate for my brows to be done. So me and Mum are going to give this a go. Hopefully it turns out okay. You'll probably see in some upcoming videos how well that went. And then final thing that I got from Superdrug is the John Frieda Frizz Ease Secret Agent Touch Up Cream. If you've got frizzy hair, guys, you have to try this. It's kind of like, I think, dry shampoo for people with oily hair. This is what you do, us girls that have the dry frizzy hair. You just kind of like run it through your hair. I don't actually have any on today. I have like some like detangler because my hair's really naughty. But I use this to kind of like, when my hair's gone really frizzy because of like static or rain or whatever, I like put it up here a little bit, down here, and it just kind of like sleeks things out like really nicely. I think it's super affordable. It's like £6 or £7 and it's a huge bottle. It's like 100ml. But yeah, really, really recommend this for anyone with frizzy hair like me. And then finally, I've just got like 3 bits from TK Maxx. So the first thing I got was this wet brush. Oh my god, I love wet brushes, and I've needed one like for so long. A little upgrade. So they're normally £13 and this was £4. That is such a bargain. It's rose gold. I don't think they had many like other colour options, to be honest, but I'm not that worried about what shade I get. I just thought it was an absolute steal. Again, if you've got thick, fuzzy, tangly hair like mine, this brush is incredible. Like, it's way better than a Tangle Teaser, I think. So yeah, super pleased to get a new one. My one is literally like years and years old, like probably pushing on 10 years. If I'm honest, like, it's really old. Like, I got one when they first came out because I've literally tried all the hair detanglers, and it's the only one that I recommend to like my friends and people that just generally ask me. This would be the only like detangling brush that I would ever recommend. It's great, and for £4, what a steal. And then finally, I got a couple of little makeup bits as well. So they're now putting all kind of individual makeup items in little plastic sealed up baggies, which I think is such a good idea because it stops people from testing it, which I think we'll all agree is the most annoying thing about TK Maxx makeup, is people will stick their dirty little fingers in them. So these were like brand new, which is awesome. So I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills face highlighter in rose gold, and I know what you guys are thinking. You're thinking, girl, that is not a highlighter shade for you. But actually I think I'm going to use it as a liquid eyeshadow, but also I swatched it and I think it could make a really pretty like shimmery blush. Obviously it's going to be super like reflective, but when it's going to be like really sunny, I love that look of just like looking super glowy and bronzy and pretty. And this was £4. Like, how could I not get it? I think these were like 25-ish pounds maybe, but yeah, reduced from £7.99 to £4. Like, what a bargain. So really excited to try that. And then also a little bit of Kevin Aquan. I have seen a TikTok where this woman got one of the concealer pots from Kevin Aquan for 90p in her local TK Maxx. It was in about probably like 10 shades too dark for her skin, bless her, but what a steal, like, good for her. So I got my little bit of bargain Kevin Aquan. This was £4 again. It says that RRP is £24, which I believe it probably was. They were originally selling it for £7.99, so it was reduced down to £4. And it's one of their lip glosses in the shade Fire Amber, and just you wait, look at it. It's absolutely stunning. It's like a duochrome, red, coppery, golden colour. I'll do a little swatch. And the applicator is really nice. I just think maybe with like a nude eyeliner, not eyeliner, lip liner, nude lip liner, this could look really, really pretty. £4, like, that e.l.f. lip gloss was the same price. So yeah, like, super happy with those purchases. If you're heading into town, definitely check out TK Maxx if there isn't too much of a queue. I was really lucky because it was raining, so like no one was in town, so I didn't have to queue for any of these stores, which was good for me. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little haul. I love watching what other people buy in Superdrug and Boots, so I hope you enjoyed today's video too. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, please like, please leave a comment about your razor burn suggestions, because my legs, man, they are itching. And also, like, what things you've bought recently. Did you take part in the buy one get one free offer, or like what did you pick up? I would love to know. I'm such a nosy person. Okay guys, I hope you're staying safe. Catch you later. Bye.